Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best American-made grease guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lincoln Lubrication 1134 American-made grease gun. The Lincoln Lubrication 1134 grease gun takes the top position in our list because of its durable and better performance. It can be confronted in extreme conditions up to 7,500 psi due to its strong cast aluminum head and encased piston assembly. This convenient gun is comfortable in handling for hours of non-stop greasing without feeling numb. The unique shaft angle can also be adjusted for a better grip, and the return mechanism helps minimize jamming. The grease comes out smoothly without any leakage and gaps even when the handle presses softly. There is a three-way of loading the oil: cartridge, suction, or bulk. It comes with a pressure gauge to increase the user facility, making it extremely easy for one-hand operation. This superb package carries a 6-inch rigid hose and 18-inch whip hose with a coupler. It's easy and straightforward to clean without dismantling the grease gun. The plunger accurately fits to prevent the bypassing of lubricants. Overall, this is a great value grease gun you can purchase. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milton S3101 pistol grease gun. Milton is a reputed manufacturer of a variety of grease guns, and the S3101 piston grease gun is one of them that arrives powerful with 7,000 psi maximum pressure. This adjustable stroke gun can be used for high volume or high pressure by merely moving the handle position. Also, its 18-inch long hose expansion is adaptable and proficient in reaching narrow and confined areas. Moreover, it can be quickly filled by a 14 ounces cartridge or dispenser pumps. The package also includes a coupler for easy access to the work. Overall, an American-made grease gun that performs outstanding for automobiles, farming, agricultural, home garages, professional workshops, industrial and many other applications. The gun permits the user to operate in one hand. At number 3, we have the LockNLube grease gun coupler. LockNLube is a modern and compatible grease gun that works with air, battery, and all manual grease guns. It is famous among automotive workers for its reconstructive structure. It contains a high-quality locking system that restricts the coupler from leaking. Specifically, it's suitable for long-term usage. It is considered as a unique tool that can consume pressure up to 10,000 psi and can fit almost all grease gun thread. Measures 1/8 inches. After greasing, to release the coupler from the zerk fitting, the user needs only to press the thumb lever. So it's almost a hands-free operation without the mess of leaking grease. It is especially suited for recessed zerks such as shielded PTO shafts, U-joints, and axles. At number 2, we have the Lincoln 1162 American-made automatic grease gun. This fully automatic air-operated grease gun makes your greasing task hassle-free and quick. The variable speed trigger allows continuous friendly operation and grease flow in a controlled way. The advanced, sturdy designs can pressure up to 6,000 psi, which is enough to reach any hard-to-reach areas. It arrives with a 30-inch high-pressure hose adjacent to the coupler and attachment clip for easy use. This superflow ensures continuous operation in any bulk-size greasing projects. The gun includes a blend filler coupler to bulk fill and quickly release trapped air to keep the grease gun loaded. Further, it's an American-made grease gun that promises top-quality service. Though it's a grease gun, it's easy to clean. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lincoln 1147 heavy-duty manual grease gun. Lincoln is a reliable brand of making various grease guns. One of them is the 1147 lever-operated grease gun with a maximum pressure of 10,000 psi and has a cartridge capacity of 16 ounces. Also, it has an 18 inches flexible hose with a better grip. Moreover, the heavy auxiliary spring assures positive and continuous pumping action. Not only its pump head build of cast iron material but also its heavy-duty design makes it ideal to use in industrial settings. Thus, any professional worker would find this tool quite reliable and durable in their harsh working environment. Besides, the tight seal around the pump head prevents leaking grease. Moreover, its lever machine operates effortlessly with a jam-free setting. It also features a check valve to be more comfortable to clean the barrel and remove any hardened grease. To get an effortless greasing, you can opt for it. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.